It's the moment we all have been waiting for. Araneta City, are you guys ready to line up tonight? Ready next? Araneta City, are you ready?
This year's theme, Christmas glows in the city, built by memories, led by hope, reminds us that the brightest glow comes from the love and joy we share together. So let's make it official! It's time to light up the Araneta City Giant Christmas Tree!
Yeah, and everyone make sure to get your cameras ready. Are you guys ready? Let's go. Let the countdown start. Let's go. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Such a magical celebration here at Araneta City, Canada. Thank you so much lahat ng tayo nandito for joining us here with our magical celebration here dito lang sa Araneta City.
And don't forget to visit our other Christmas tree lightings at Gateway Malls, and Happy Mall, and we are now exciting monuments and promos all season long. And again, everybody, if you have photos and videos, please don't hesitate to share them with us online using our official hashtags, hashtag Araneta Christmas Tree Lighting and hashtag Christmas Glows in the City.
And of course, this night won't be possible without our generous sponsors and the way maraming maraming salamat. Petrol, sa'yo. Available din over 120 years of timely stories and tireless truths. They introduce without fear, without favor. Go Hotel Manila, Araneta City, I discuss Araneta City. The first overall I discuss on the brands in the Philippines. Pizza Hut, Make It Great, Dairy Queen, Happy Kiss Yuri, Taco Bell, Big Mas, Manta, Tiongmaru, Mamu, Unmistakably Mamu, Mama Luz, Hair Center, get the respect care that you deserve. Angelo, 7 Lux, Peaks